I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one. That's why I can barely even sit in my seat. I am going to be showing you some products from Glossier, and these are my first impressions, my review, my tutorial, everything. I'm going to show you it all. I have to film it because I know a lot of you guys like unboxing videos, so I might as well smash it all in one video. So hopefully you guys are interested, and before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. There's going to be tons of juicy content coming up. A lot of you guys want to know how me and my son's father got back together after being separated for 7 years. But okay, we're not going to talk about that right now because this is a different video and that is a different video. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and let me know your requests in the comments and down below because I'm taking notes. Let's get into this video because I'm excited, I'm glowing, and I'm going to show you guys the products that I used to achieve this look. So let's get started. So when you open up the box, the first thing you see are these little Glossier stickers. These stickers are really cute. They kind of remind me of the bandeau planner that I have. I actually bought it 3 times because I forgot that I already bought it. How do you forget you bought something twice? So I ended up with 3 planners and I don't use them. Anyways, that's a different video. I was looking for my packing slip and I ran into this little envelope, and I thought for some reason that they were just really fancy and bougie and they put their packing slip in this envelope. Wrong. It's actually a postcard, so I'm going to hold on to that because I always keep stationery for like teacher's notes or lunch notes, things like that. I'm a hoarder. We've already discussed this. Moving on. Okay, so the first product that I was really excited to use and actually didn't come with any box or packaging, which I was really happy about because I feel like a lot of companies are starting to be more mindful about waste in packaging. Mind you that the other stuff is packaged, but it's very, very little, and I'm hoping that the packaging is recyclable because a lot of stuff, you'd be surprised, is not recyclable. Anyhow, this one here is the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade Medium. It actually comes in 5 shades, which is great. It goes from light, medium, dark, deep, and rich. I'm medium, and this looks really, really light, so I was like, oh great. I'm thinking I didn't get the right shade, but actually it works out, and you guys will see that in just a second. But I'm really happy that this particular formula is almost like applying your lotion. So I was really, really happy about that. I just rub it onto my skin and it goes right in. I love how subtle the tint is in this product. It's really, really, really subtle. So when you put it on, it's like the best tinted moisturizer you'll ever try in your life. It adapts to your skin instantly, and I feel like it did a lot of color correcting. It evened out my skin tone. I still have my freckles there, which is great because I don't want to cover them up if I'm using a product like this. I still want it to look like my skin, breathable and natural, and it actually just gives me a little bit more confidence when I'm not wearing makeup. So it's definitely a product that I would wear every single day. On my non-makeup days, like if I'm going to the gym or going to run errands and I still feel uncomfortable about wearing no makeup. I have this huge Rocky Mountain zit on my nose right now, and you would never know because I had put that all over the place, and it color correct so quickly. And to be honest with you, when I dropped it into my hands, I thought it was so thin and so oily. I was like, what the hell is this? It actually worked out. And a bottle of this is $26. Compared to applying my foundation, this is definitely a lot faster, and I'm just using my hands. So I just wash my hands afterwards. I did feel like I needed a concealer because I still have some dark circles underneath my eyes. Next up is Boy Brow, and it comes in clear blonde, brown, and black. It's just used to thicken, fill in, and groom your brows, and I absolutely love this product because my brows are so naked. I just never had any brows. So the first time that I dyed my hair, the girl who dyed my hair was like, do you want me to dye your brows too? Because you ain't got no hairs up there, like literally nothing. So if you are okay with a little bit of a fluffy eyebrow, get it, girl. But if you like something more sculpt and more uniform and clean, I wouldn't go with this product because it literally just makes you look like you have naturally like model eyebrows, you know, because their eyebrows are a little bit like, woo! Next up is the Haloscope, which is this one that I've got on my face. This one here comes in 3 shades and it's $22. The outer layer of the halo is actually made by real crystals. I'm like, say what? And then the inner part is actually solid oil, so it gives you a nice hydrated look as well. So it's a really nice dewy, healthy shine. Moving on, Cloud Paint. This one is $18 and it comes in 4 shades. and it is a gel cream formula, so it goes on really nice. It's kind of like a paint. So you put just a little bit on your cheeks and you just pat it into your face, and it's amazing. It gives you that like really healthy flush. Anytime that I'm like shy or blushing or what have you, I go like red all over here. So I did concentrate on my cheeks and a little bit of love on the tip of my nose. And last but not least, this is the Balm Dotcom, and I got it in their birthday flavor. And I actually wish that I got the original because the birthday flavor has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I just don't see myself using it on other parts of my body other than my lips, because you can use it on dry parts, like maybe even your knees or your elbows, or if you have dry hands or dry spots on your hands, you can apply a little bit of this as an ointment. But since it has shimmer, it would only go on my lips. It's almost like a satin or a matte finish. It's not glossy at all, so I just don't understand why the shimmer was there. It almost looks like kind of dusty. So I personally would go with original if you guys were going to take my advice. Hopefully you do. Yeah, I would go with original, and that one is $12. I'm not sure if I said that already. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and leave your comments, requests, and thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!